Hello and welcome back on this new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so you can get a notification whenever I upload a new content. So in this video we are going to talk about the importance of using transpose function. Right, transpose function has a little trick on it. Most of the time whenever we use transpose, we just copy whatever you want to transpose. We copy, we use base special, and we transpose, and that's it, right? So in this video I'm going to show you uh, many of the transpose function that we overlook, right? The difference between paste spatial and then transpose function, the difference between the two. So here what I'm trying to do is what you have these various cities with their temperature for the day. So let's assume today the temperature in New York was 45 and LA 65, San Francisco, and then Dallas. These are the various temperature for these various cities. Now clearly when you look at the way it is here, it's kind of difficult to read as opposed to having them column wise, because this is row wise. So you want to have these metrics, right? The cities, you want to have them column wise, and then the temperature you want to have them column wise as well, so that it will be very easier to read. Now how can we do that, right? So the first thing we want to do, because this is row wise, you want to turn it to column wise. It means you want to transpose. Okay, you want to transpose it. The first thing is just to copy these three metric, for metric the cities, right? You come down here, paste spatial. So over here I'm going to use paste spatial. So you right click here, paste spatial, you go to transpose, and then boom, you transpose. That's it, you have it transpose, right? That's the first thing that you can do. Now here is the trick. What happened here when you do that, and I can do the same thing with the temperature, right? You can copy them right here, and then we can transpose it. Now down here, paste spatial, and then transpose. Great, there we have it. Now here, look very well here, right? So let's say I want to change NYC to New Jersey, right? I want to change New York City to New Jersey, right? On normal basis, come to think of you having a very huge, a large data, right? Like thousands of columns, right? And you don't have time, to go through and check whether it's working or not, right? You want to be able to automatically update, whenever new data, come in or whatever. So when I put New Jersey in here, and then I will be expecting New Jersey to change here because I transpose this column, but it does not update. What's going on? It didn't update. You see clearly here it was New York City, and then change it to I transpose it here, but it did not update. What's going on? We don't know. Over here the temperature is 45. Now it's New Jersey. Let's assume the temperature in New Jersey is like 56, right? I'll be expecting my temperature to get updated over here. It didn't. It did not update. You see it's still 45. It's supposed to change. Why? Because I use a paste spatial. So with paste spatial, you cannot get an automatic update of your data. Whenever new data comes in, or when any change has been made, you cannot get it updated. So the best, the tool to use here, the function here to use to get the automatic update is a transpose function. Actually, it's not just transpose. Let me add up function. It's a function, okay? Transpose function. So with transpose function here, you can have with transpose function down here, when you use the function, then it can automatically update, whenever a new data comes in, it will update. So let's change this to 45 that we're having, and then this to New York City. Now I'm gonna use the function, and the function is just equal transpose, right? I'm gonna use transpose function here. Transpose is right here. Now what I want to transpose here is the city. So let me copy all of that. Okay, copy this. You come down, this is what I want to change here. Actually I'm not copying transpose. You just select what you want to transpose, close parentheses, and then enter. It's been updated, right? So let me do the same here with the temperature. Let me erase this. You write the function equal transpose. So you want to transpose, right? Transpose function, transpose, and then you select whatever you want to transpose, close parentheses, and then enter. That's it. Now what will happen is here is this, right? Because I use a transpose function, if I update New York City here, it's going to get updated here for the transpose function. For the paste spatial, it doesn't, right? So I can change this to New Jersey like I did earlier, and then let's see what happened here. You see clearly New Jersey change here. You see, you have New Jersey, but over here still New York City, which is amazing, right? The temperature as well, if I want to change my temperature here to 56, because this is New Jersey, is no more New York, right? You see automatically it's been updated here, but this is still constant. Earlier when I changed here, it was constant when I use the paste special, right? But when you use the transpose function, it changes. So that's what I have for today. I don't want to make this longer. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. This help. Thank you, and see you on the next video.